Hi, thanks for tuning in to Street Life Cooking. I'm Natasha, and today I am here with a recipe for peach salsa. Perfect for the summer because it doesn't require any cooking and comes together very easily. It goes perfectly well with ribs, or even you can use it to top tacos. Let's get into it. Alright, so here we have 6 tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, that I've just cut into chunks. And to this, I'm going to add 1 bell pepper, which I've also chopped, and 1 white onion. And I'm doing white rather than yellow because I think the flavor is a bit more mild. If you wanted to, you could also do purple onion. And then to this, I'm going to add my peaches. I'm going to add some black pepper. Salt. And a bit of garlic chili sauce. And I'll just give you a stir. I'm going to just squeeze over a bit of lime juice. Make a quick little stir. And then just give it a taste. And put the rest of the lime. It's getting there. Just sprinkle more salt. A bit more black pepper. It's very versatile, comes together very easy, nice and refreshing, perfect for the summer.
Thanks for tuning in. To ensure you don't miss any episodes, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and check out my Cooking at Home playlist. Go ahead and click that thumbs up button if you like what you saw, and go ahead and share it on social media.